Hi everybody and welcome. Today I have Soundcore Space Q45 headphones and I'm going to show you how can you easily connect them with your PlayStation 5 by the cable. So at first we have to prepare ourselves our controller and our headphones. Now we have to bring our headphones like that and search for the mini jack port like it's here. Now we have to prepare ourselves and micro jack 3.5mm cable as it's here. Now we have to plug in our cable into our headphones like that. Now we have to bring our controller and plug this cable straight into this port over here. It should look like this. And that's it. Hope it helps you. Goodbye.